What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 dual-channel dash cameras according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first, we have the Nextbase 622. With an abundance of world-first features, including image stabilization, what 3 words, super slow motion, and stunning 4K image quality, this 622GW is the most in-demand dashcam on the planet. By design, it looks sleek and feels sturdy, with a smooth front design, but when compared with other competitors, it feels pretty large by the 3-inch full-color rear touchscreen display that sits at the rear. Now for the performance, it features a new image stabilization system that will dramatically diminish the effects vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. And when it comes to its 4K recordings, it records in top-of-the-range 4K quality, while its rear camera module can record at an impressive 1080p, covering your car from multiple angles. Finally, for connectivity, it offers dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which has never before been featured in a dashcam. So with this dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you will get the fastest transfer speeds possible, which will allow you to download footage from your 622GW on your phone quicker than ever. Next is Nextbase 322. This is the best budget dual-channel dash camera you can get on the market today without compromising its performance. By design, like other Nextbase dashcams, this 322GW also comes in a compact design with a touchscreen display on the back and a smart magnetic mounting system. Now for the recording, featuring an f1.6 glass lens, it is designed to provide high quality, detailed images of your journey on the road. And along with this, it also offers 1080p front and 720p rear simultaneous recordings. Its loop recording on this dashcam will allow for continuous recording, even if the SD memory card reaches full capacity. And when it comes to its display, it houses a 2.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen. It will show you your speed or the road ahead, while its newly added touchscreen feature will let you easily select the menu options and playback footage for a great user experience. And finally, for the connectivity, this 322GW is the world's first dashcam that comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and quick link Wi-Fi to automatically sync files straight to your phone. Next up, we have the Wolfbox 12. When it comes to the best mirror dashcam, you can never go wrong with this Wolfbox 12. It comes with a 1296p mirror dashcam and a backup camera with 1080p camera quality. And for the screen, it houses a 12-inch upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day, while its 6-layer glass lens enhances night vision in dark environment. In addition to these, it also offers a visual angle of 140 degrees 1080p camera quality, which will allow you to get a clear picture of what's behind you as you drive. And for smart functions, it includes streaming media rear view, parking monitoring, GPS function, G-sensor, collision boot recording, loop recording, video time-lapse, adjustable display view angle, and more. Next, we can take a look at this Blackview DR900X. It is a fully functional 4K UHD dashcam, starting with its recordings, along with the regular H.264 codec. This DR900X series features a high-efficiency video coding, the leading standard in 4K recording and broadcasting. And when it comes to its 4K video quality, with 8-megapixel 4K UHD sensor, you will get 4 times more pixels than Full HD. While with its fast shutter speed, the details will be stored in place, so all you have to do is to zoom in and see it all with clarity. It can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode without requiring optional accessories, as this dashcam can automatically switch to parking mode when the vehicle ignition is turned off. And finally, for the connectivity, it comes with a USB port, where you can plug into the optional CM100 LTE module, giving the dashcam the ability to remotely connect to the Blackview cloud anytime, anywhere. Lastly, we have the ProMito. This ProMito is the first 12-inch 3-channels HD mirror cam that can record rear, front, and in-car views simultaneously. Unlike other mirror cameras, this ProMito dashcam mirror adopts a unique full laminate anti-glare screen, bringing you the best image even under strong sunlight. And for view angle, it offers 170 degrees front, 150 degrees rear, and 140 degrees inside view recording simultaneously, giving you the maximum protection during driving or parking. This backup camera can be installed inside or outside of the car with included brackets, as it is waterproof and performs well under extreme temperatures from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, for parking monitoring, once connected to the hardwire kit, the camera will turn on automatically whenever it detects any collision during parking and lock a 30-second video for later proof, while its inclusion of GPS antenna will record your driving speed, route, and vehicle's location in the file as more evidence. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.